Hi everyone, and welcome back to YouTube, the home of the Nav Doctor. In this video we're going to have a look at Apple's newest release, the iPhone 11 Pro, and as you can see we've picked up the 64GB version in silver. So let's get into it. Welcome back. As you can see we've got the new iPhone for 2019 here, so let's have a look at it. It's part of the usual annual release for Apple. The new iPhones this year releasing three models: the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. These are available in a wide range of storage sizes with new and improved updates across all three models. You can see as we've gotten into it, the new 3-camera design with the telephoto lens, the normal lens and the ultra-wide lens for all your amazing photography needs. This is what brings the Pro design to the Pro model iPhone for this year. Once again this year, like the past iPhone models, we've got the chrome silver edges. This year the phone is a little bit thicker at 8.1mm. This isn't really much of a difference in comparison, you can't really notice it. So let's have a look now at some of the accessories that are included with this new iPhone. In the 11 Pro model they've included the fast charger for us, which is going to be excellent for quicker charging times. This time around it's a lightning to USB-C cable, which will work with the new fast charger. And I know some of you like that new protective film peeling sound, so here it is. So there you have it, the new Apple iPhone 11 Pro for 2019. Not much has changed as far as design from the iPhone X. The main new improvement is that 3-camera design, a little bit better battery life, now an OLED screen for the 11 Pro, amongst many other features. Also picked up some new accessories for this new iPhone 11. We've picked up an edge-to-edge screen protector. It's a glass one from OtterBox, so that'll cover your whole entire screen. We've also picked up this life-proof case. It's a 2-part case, so it's got the solid back and then a rubber edge around the outside. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button. As always, if you haven't already, subscribe and click on that bell icon to get a notification when I put a new video out. And as always, see you next time. Nav Doctor out.